The 2025 Volvo S60 marks the conclusion of the Swedish luxury sedan's pristine Scandinavian design, safety, and style era. The S60 concludes its final year with sophistication, mirroring market demand as SUVs prevail on American roads. Volvo sedans provide the final opportunity to experience their comfort, technology, and sophistication. The final manufacturing iteration of the S60 features a 247 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers competent performance, if not exceptional. The Volvo S60 plug-in hybrid boasts 456 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a pure electric range of 41 miles. The hybrid type provides enhanced fuel efficiency and power at a higher cost, although it is more environmentally sustainable. The S60 Core, Plus, and Ultra trims will be reintroduced in 2025. The T8 all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid. The Ultra trims for the year feature a Black Edition package that includes black exterior details, wheels, and options for Onyx Black or Crystal White paint, imparting the S60 a striking, futuristic appearance. The Core and Ultra variants are equipped with power folding headrests and premium amenities. The S60 offers luxury and performance, with a starting price of $43,795 and a maximum price of $59,295. The Core model is economical, whereas the Plus trim incorporates leather seats, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced comfort and safety. The Climate option includes heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and windshield washers for comfort in chilly conditions. Although the S60 is a luxury cruiser, its smooth ride and tranquil cabin are impressive. Sports cars such as the BMW 3 Series and Alfa Romeo Giulia exhibit superior handling and enhanced driver engagement. Non-hybrid S60 models reach 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds, lagging behind German competitors. The plug-in hybrid accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds with additional power. In combined driving, front-wheel drive S60s achieve up to 30 miles per gallon, whilst all-wheel drive variants attain somewhat lower fuel efficiency. The plug-in hybrid achieves 74 miles per gallon equivalent while utilizing both electric and gasoline power, and 31 miles per gallon when operating solely on gasoline. The inside of the Volvo S60 exemplifies exceptional craftsmanship. The luxurious materials, design, and attributes render it pleasurable. The S60 features a contemporary design with a 12.3-inch digital display and ambient illumination. Although cabin storage is limited, the seats are comfortable and provide adequate legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. With the discontinuation of the Volvo S60, this is a wonderful opportunity to acquire a distinctive sedan. The 2025 Volvo S60, whether characterized by refined luxury or eco-friendly hybrid features, makes a significant impact in its final model year.